Hi, I'm Louise, the stylist from Dyson, and I'm going to show you how you can create this curly blow dry using the 30mm curling barrels on the Dyson Airwrap. So I'm going to show you on a long section of hair using the long 30mm barrel, and on my shorter piece of hair here using the shorter or normal sized 30mm barrel. So if you haven't got the long one in your set, you can get them as an add-on accessory from Dyson's website. If you're starting from wet hair, make sure you blast it to about 70% dry using the pre-styler dryer attachment. If your hair is already dry, just make sure you spray it down with a water spray. So that's what I'm going to do here, just until the hair is damp. So I'm going to do mine on the highest airflow and the highest temperature because I have thick, coarse hair. So if you have finer or medium textured hair, you can lower the heat setting if you like. So take the section of hair and just pinch it towards the ends there, leaving them nice and loose, and bring the curling barrel right over to the ends of those hair. When you switch it on, you're just going to allow them to latch on and lay nice and smooth around the barrel before you move it in towards the head. Hold it for a few seconds then until you feel the section of hair is dry, and then you're going to slide your finger up and hold on the cold button just for a few seconds as well to cool it down before you release it. So I just did my little cold burst by holding up the power button there. It does a little cold shot of air, and then release it and you'll have a really springy curl. So I would leave it like that until you've finished styling the rest of the head, and always work in sections just to make your job a little bit easier. So I'm going to spray this bit down now and do it with the normal length curling barrel. So it's best results always from damp with the Airwrap. So the exact same thing, doesn't matter what the length of the hair is, just pinch it leaving the ends loose and bring the barrel right over. And release again. So as you can see, it's a really nice curly blow dry effect that you get, and you can run your fingers through at the end and style as you wish. I opted to have my curls blow drying away from my face, but whichever you prefer, you can do either or. So for more videos of quick and easy styles, make sure you follow Dyson's channel.